Hi students, good morning. Today's class, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. In this chapter, 3 exercises are there. One is distance formula. Next one, section formula. The third one, area of triangle. Third one, area of triangle. Now, one happy news, area of triangle deleted for this academic session. So only two exercise, distance formula and section formula, right? In this chapter, from this chapter around 6 marks will come. We will see later the question pattern. Coordinate geometry. In class 9, you have studied that to locate the position of a point on a plane. What is a plane? It is one plane. It is plane. In this plane, I locate two axes. It is x-axis. It is y-axis. Y-axis. Here y dash. Here x dash. It is O origin. It is O origin. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so it is called the XY plane or Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. We can give different name. XY plane, Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Okay. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. The x-coordinate called another one name, it is x-coordinate, 2 is x-coordinate. So another one name is abscissa for x-coordinate. X-coordinate abscissa. Y-coordinate or ordinate. Ordinate. So we can locate the point here where, for example, 3, 2. 3, 2. So the 3 is x coordinate, it is y coordinate. Always we can write in x, y format. So 3, 3, 2. So it is called, it is 3, 2. It is 3, 2. Now, we can find the distance between 2 points without any equipments using coordinate points. For example, here 2 points are there. So between these 2 points, we can find the measure using any one equipment. For example, using ruler or any length tape, we can use it. But without using measure any equipments, we want to find the distance using coordinate. For example, here 1, 4. This coordinate point is 1, 4. Here minus 2, 7. For example, it is not accurate. For example, we want to find the distance between these 2 points without any equipments. Yes, we can find it. So that is distance formula. Distance formula. So it is one plane. Here one point is there. It is P. X coordinate is x1, y1. Here one point is there Q. This x2, y2. X2, y2. We want to find the distance between these 2 points. PQ. Okay. So PQ is equal to. So PQ means the distance between 2 points P and Q. The formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This also we can write as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Both are correct. For example, the distance from P to Q or Q to P, both are same. Both are same. For example, x1 is equal to 7. x2 is equal to 5. You find the value here, you substitute 7 minus 5. Sorry. x2 5 minus x1 7 whole square. 5 minus 7 minus 2 whole square. So answer will be 4. Here use it x1. 7 minus 5 whole square. 7 minus 5 2. 2 square 4. 2 square 4. So both will come because here you taking square. Okay. So this values is not negative. The values should be in positive. Okay. If negative, you might have some mistake. Very clear. So once again explain. x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Or square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This first formula. Okay. P is x1 comma y1 and Q x2 comma y2. So the distance between 2 points P and Q, the distance between 2 points P and Q is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, we can write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, page number 158 you refer it. Both also correct. Both also correct. Suppose the distance from origin. Distance from origin. What is origin? It is origin 0, 0. Origin 0, 0. 0, 0. Formula OP is equal to x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Why? Because if origin means 0. It is O, 0, 0. Here one point P, x, y. Yes, sir, x1, y1 written again. Here, why you wrote as x, y means only one coordinate. So we didn't mention in separate name x1, y1. No need. Here two coordinates are there. So one coordinate, two coordinate points are there. So one is x1, y1, another one is x2, y2. But here only one. So we assume as x, y. So x square plus y square, it is same formula. X minus 0 is substitute here instead of x2 x. X minus 0 x square. Y minus 0 y square. No formula. Only these two formulas. Okay. So distance formula. One is distance between 2 points. Another one is distance from origin. Okay. So both also copied from in your class of note. Exercise 7.1. First question. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Find the distance between the pairs of following points. Okay, right. I will take a second question. Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3. Solution. Okay, it is as P minus 5, 7. So it is x1, it is y1. Okay, next Q. You assume as 1, 3. It is x2, it is y2. Okay, x1 is 5, x1 is minus 5, y1 is 7. x2 is minus 1, y2 is 3. y2 is 3, right? So next write the distance formula. Distance formula. Let us 2 points we assume as P and Q. So PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute here PQ is equal to square root of whatever x2 value minus 1 in bracket minus 1 minus x1 value is at minus 5. Here already one minus is there. It is formed x2 minus please listen, minus into x1 because x1 is negative value. So minus 5 minus 1 minus of minus 5 whole square plus. Okay, if you write only 1 minus, the answer will be mistake, wrong. Okay, keep it in mind. So this minus, first this minus for formula, it is for negative value. Then y2 minus y1. y2 value what is a 3. 3 minus 7 whole square. 3 minus 7 whole square. Now square root of minus 1. This minus into minus plus 5 whole square. Minus 1 keep it as here two sides are there, so you can simplify. Minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. Now checking. Minus 1 plus 5, 4. One negative value, one positive value. So subtraction from largest number 5 minus 1, 4. So for 4 square plus minus 4 square. Minus 4 square value 16. Minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 multiply itself 2 times. Don't write as minus 16. Wrong. Okay, minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 square. Minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, right. Square root of 4 square 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16. So answer 32. Square root of 32. Square root of 32. So this one another one step. Here we can write 2 times of 16. 16 square root. Otherwise you write it. Square root of 32. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Factorizing. Okay, factorizing. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 multiplies 5 times. 2, 4, 5. It is square root. From 2 numbers we can take 1. So here 1, 2, here 1, 2. So but 2 into 2, 4. So answer 4 square root of 2 units. Okay, this is important one. Okay, why? Because we found the distance. We found distance between 2 points. Okay, so distance always have some units, centimeter or meter. Okay, here we didn't use, so we assume as unit. We assume as unit. Okay, units. So PQ is equal to 4 square root of 2 units. 4 square root of 2 units. Very clear. So first given one is x1 comma y1, assume it x2 comma y2. Write the formula, substitute the value. Okay, well, minus value is given, so be careful. Minus value is given, be careful. Okay. The next sum, third sum. Third sum. A comma B minus A comma minus b. A comma b minus A comma minus b. Okay, write solution. B A comma b x1 y1 q minus A comma minus b x2 y2. So here we can assume A B also no problem. It is A, it is B. So the distance between 2 points. What is 2 points? A and B. So AB. So AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Very clear. Next we substitute AB is equal to square root of what about x2 value? x2 minus A. So minus A. Then next to minus is in formula minus. What about x1 value? A whole square. So it is for x2 value minus A. It is for formula x1 value A plus minus B is for y2 value. Y2 minus y1 minus y1 value of B whole square. Okay, now let minus a minus 2 times of a whole square, minus 2 times of a whole square. Then minus b minus 2 times of b whole square, minus 2 times of b whole square. Then square root of minus 2 into minus 2 4, a into a square. Here minus 2 into minus 2 4, b into b square, b square. Okay, now 4 is common, you take it common, square root of 4 remaining a square plus b square. Okay, 4 common, you take it as common 4, a square plus b square. Now we can take square root of 4 because multiplication. Here we cannot choose, we cannot take square root because here addition. So we cannot square root but square cancel ஆக மெயின் பண்ண கூடாது. Okay, so 2 square root of a square plus b square units. Okay, sir, a square square root of a square a square root of b square b na, that is wrong because here multiplication. Product na we can take it. Here these two numbers are product. It is one term, it is one term. So square root of 4 is 2. Are you clear? Right. Pass. So next example 4. Find a relation between x and y. So example 1 to 3 I will explain. Wait, no problem. Example 4. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Listen, the one point is there. That point is x comma y. That is equidistant from 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Now 2 points are there. Solution. One point is there. A. It is a. 7 comma 1. The point is here. B. The point is 3 comma 5. Okay. Then one more point is there. It is O. X comma O. Okay. So the x comma y is equidistant from A and equidistant from B. The both distance are equal. என்ன மீனிங்னா x, y இப்ப நான் என்ன இருக்கேனா அங்க ஒரு உட்கார்ந்திருக்கேன் இங்க ஒரு உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம். அவன ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் பாத்தீனா நான் கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீனா என்னோட டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல பாக்கும்போது ஈக்குவல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருக்காங்க. நான் சென்டர்ல இருக்கேன். இங்க வந்து ஒரு 10 மீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ். ஓகே. So both are equal distance from me. ஓகேவா? என்னோட என்னகிட்ட இருந்து ஈக்குவல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருக்கான். Very clear? Right. So the two distances are equal. So O is equidistant from A and B. From A and B. The O point is equidistant from A and B. So we come on conclude OA is equal to OB. Very clear? The O point is x comma y. The A and B equidistance la irukku. So OA is equal to OP. OA is equal to OP. Now we can find distance of OA and distance of OP. Right? Find OA. X2 minus x1. Okay, listen. It is x1. It is y1. Okay, it is x2, y2. Here x3, y3. Right. Write the formula. OA is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now OP. x1, x3. So square root of x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. Very clear? It is our number. x2 instead of x2 we are shown as x3 because here three coordinates are there. So if you take the same x1, some confusion will come. So only I wrote use as x3. Right? Now use the condition OA square root of x2. What is x2 value? 7. So 7 minus x whole square plus y2 value 1 minus y whole square. This is equal to square root of this OA is equal to OP. OA is equal to OP. x3 value 3 minus x whole square plus y3 value 5 minus y whole square, 5 minus y whole square. Now if taking squares on both sides, squares on both sides, so the square root will be cancelled. The squares on both sides, the square root will be cancelled. So 7 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square is equal to 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. 5 minus y whole square. Now use it. A minus b whole square formula. A square 49 minus 14x plus x square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then 1 square 1 minus 2y plus y square. 9 minus 6x plus x square. 25 minus 10y plus y square. Okay. Now the x square cancel. Okay. Because here plus x square will come here minus x square. Okay, then y square here cancel, because y square plus y square minus y square cancel. Remaining ready. 49 plus 150. 50 minus 14x minus 2y. Here 9 plus 25 34. So 34 minus 6x minus 10y. Okay, so you want to find the relation between x and y. Write it. Plus x and so 50 minus 34. Here minus 6x minus 14x plus 14x minus 10y minus 2y plus 2y. Okay, plus 34 minus 34 minus 14x plus 14x minus 2y plus 2y. So 16 equal to 8x minus both are these two terms are like terms. These two are like terms. Okay, these two are like terms. So minus 6 plus 14 plus 8x minus 8 plus 2 minus 8y. Okay, so both will be divisible by 8. It is multiples of 8, multiples of 8, multiples of 8. So divide by 8. So 2 is equal to x minus y. 2 is equal to x minus y. So relation between x and y, x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. That's all. Thank you, students.